Remember, there is a significant reaction that has come in from a Samajwadi Party leader who is not opposing the idea of one nation, one election. Rather, he says that they are open to discussing this idea in an all-party meeting. Let's listen.
वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन को लागू करने से पहले सभी विपक्षी पार्टियों को और सभी प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री या पूर्व मुख्यमंत्रियों की एक बैठक आहूत होनी चाहिए। समाजवादी पार्टी देश की तीसरी बड़ी पार्टी है और उत्तर प्रदेश में समाजवादी पार्टी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है। उसके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी, विपक्ष के नेता राहुल गांधी जी और सभी विपक्षी दलों के नेताओं की सहमति से इस पर आगे कार्रवाइयां होनी चाहिए। हम लोग वैसे चाहते हैं कि देश में लोकसभा और विधानसभा के चुनाव साथ में हों। भारतीय जनता पार्टी पिछले 10 सालों से केंद्र की सरकार में है और बार बार ये कह रही है, लेकिन उसकी कथनी और करनी में जमीन आसमान का अंतर है।
The very first response that has come in from the SP chief Akhilesh Yadav, who's taken to the social media to put out a long response where essentially he's taking a jibe at the BJP. He's also trying to raise the question that the same party that is advocating for one nation, one election, what was stopping that party from holding elections together in Jammu and Kashmir, in Haryana, in Maharashtra and in Jharkhand? He doesn't just stop there. During the entire, tweet that he's put out on the social media, he's also taking a dig at the BJP for their internal elections. And he says a party that is not able to get its internal elections done on time, how can that party be talking of one nation, one election? So quite a response that has come in from Akhilesh Yadav, essentially on the entire idea of simultaneous elections. And you would recall that as the Kovind panel had met, they had taken representation from different political parties on where they stand. You've seen a lot of the allies of the BJP, that is the NDA today, supporting the entire move of one nation, one election. The Congress on the other side has called this a gimmick. And Behenji interestingly says ये एक सकारात्मक move है. So आगे क्या होगा? We'll keep you updated. For this moment, we are slipping into a quick break. On the other side, coming back with lots more.